Hello, here you are. Pausa sueca. That means Swedish fika. We are here in IKEA in Algarve, Portugal. It's looking funny, everything in Portuguese. Oh, shot bolar. Meatballs. I don't like so much. I ate so much when I moved to Sweden. Bistro sueco. Swedish. Korva. What you got here? Pizza. Ketchup. Well, let's go up. Oh, the famous glass. Milk glass. Oh, 80 euros. Yeah. IKEA is situated here in this shopping center, Mars Shopping. Be careful. So here you are. Welcome to IKEA. Oh, one of my favorite places here in Algarve. Of course, IKEA. Smaklig måltid. This is not Swedish. This is Portuguese, typical Portuguese. Meatballs in Portuguese they are almôndegas. Yes, let's go in. Hey! Oh, people come here and take a nap. Wow! So, welcome to So everyone, it's very funny. It's chávena here in Portuguese from Portugal. That means a cup of tea. But in Portuguese from Brazil, they say xícara. It's kind like British and American English, but everybody understands everybody. So now it's time to take our break, to take our famous eftermiddag tea. So hello. So I'm finished. I will say the other side of the mountain and on top of the hill is Lole. Okay? So now I will take my tea, my kappa. Bye! Hej då!